for all your home remedies, skincare, food.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be making cucumber juice. So guys, this juice is going to help you to repair your body, also detoxing your body, and it will also help you to clean your blood, to lower your sugar level. So guys, and more benefit guys. So I have all my ingredients ready. This is what I'm using today guys. So keep watching without wasting too much time.
For all your home remedies, skincare, food.
So this is my ginger, I already peel it.
For all your home remedies, skincare, food, and healthy recipes.
Subscribe to Lady Betty James TV on YouTube channel and hit the notification button. Follow us on Facebook at Lady Betty James TV.
On all social media platforms. For all your healthy food and recipes.
Lady Betty James TV.
All I wanna do is to follow
Lady Betty James TV.
She gives me all the food updates.
Lady Betty James TV.
I say all I wanna do is to follow
Lady Betty James TV.
Now she they give me all the healthy
Lady
tips.
Betty James TV.
All I wanna do is to follow
Lady Betty James TV.
Now she they give me all the skincare.
Lady Betty James TV.
Okay now,
Lady Betty James TV.
what are you waiting for, my friends? What are you waiting for, my brothers and sisters? Lady Betty JTV is right there. Always there for you to give you some good healthy tips, some good skincare, and some lovely home remedies. Why don't you follow Lady Betty J?
Lady Betty James TV.
Follow, follow.
Lady Betty James TV. Lady Betty James TV. Subscribe to Lady Betty James TV on YouTube channel and hit